Today we're going to be programming our garage door opener in our 2013 Ford Taurus. Let's get started. So to clear the garage door openers that were in there, hold these two, the first button and the third button, press them at the same time, and wait till it starts to flash. Okay, now that it's flashing, that means it's cleared, and you can press your garage door opener and hold another button, and you can see that it is flashing now. See how it's going faster? That means it's taken the code from the garage door opener. And let's see if it worked. Let me close my garage door with my garage door opener. Okay, now let's see if this worked. There you go. So that is how you program your garage door opener in your 2013 Ford Taurus. If this video helped you program your garage door opener, click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.